In front of me is HTC Desire 21 Pro, and let me show you how to activate TalkBack on this phone. So at first just open the settings, then find and select accessibility, and here under screen readers you will find TalkBack. Smoothly click on it to open, and if you want to turn it on, just tap on this switcher, then confirm it. And now you can either use a TalkBack tutorial and go with all the lessons, or you can go back. I will just volume it up a bit and then we can listen to this information right here.
0% accessibility volume.
So let's listen to it.
When TalkBack is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or partially sighted. To navigate using TalkBack, swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag 2 fingers to scroll. To turn off TalkBack, tap the switch. You'll see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap OK. Then double tap OK. It lists 2 items.
So how it works in practice, just mark it once, double tap to select, to scroll use your 2 fingers, and then to turn it off just mark TalkBack, click twice, mark the switcher, double tap, click on stop and double tap to turn it off. So this is it, that's how you can activate this accessibility feature. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.